Capital Conspiracy Trading. Trading the world, conquering finance.
So I always hear the phrase that implementation is key. So before we start off with this stock here, I'm going to tell you guys three things that you need to look for with this upcoming market. The sentiment is very indifferent. It's incredulous. A lot of people don't understand what's actually going on within the market, and I do. So they're trying to push retail out, scare them, and then they're going to funnel a bunch of money in, and we're going to see the biggest highs we've ever seen in the stock market ever. But it's also going to come at a cost. So you want to make sure that you're out and you got your gains by probably 2027, I'd say by Q2. But they're pushing it out. So you're going to make sure you want to wait for your bottom. I'm filming this current stock here at Sunday night. So I don't know what the Monday morning is going to be. I wish I did. But here's my thing for this. So I'm going to do this in live time, have a little flow here. But if you look at these lines here, it's under all the important EMAs. Every one of them is under this EMA for ASST. So if you're in this Strive Strategic Expansion Company, the reason I like this is they're number 12th in the Bitcoin of holdings right now, holding 10,900. Also, Vivek Ramaswamy here just invested up to, what did he do? 34 million, if I read that correctly. I believe it was 34 million. So with that being said, what are we going to potentially see here? So like I do this chart, I think we can hit around 225. I think we get 100%er from here. The just came out. I'm going to give you a little bit of brief overview. I used Grok to give me a better precise overview here. In summary, the earnings weren't good in a traditional sense. No profits, low revenue, but they're viewed as progressive for a turnaround story. Growth is accelerating, funding is robust, and strategic moves can unlock value in 2025. If you're bullish on Bitcoin and mergers and acquisitions, this aligns with optimism. Otherwise, it's high risk, right? Because if they go into a hardcore bear market for a while, which I think the longest we will is 2 more months, then this could go under $1 and be facing some things. Potentially more dilution. I don't think so. So this is a stock that I believe is 100%, not just because of the simple fact of it's like a Bitcoin play, but you're seeing funding come in from some huge players, and Vivek Ramaswamy is not going to back this company without done all his due diligence as well. You can scalp this play here. You can scalp it and hit it to the 115, go back down to the maybe 109, retrace to the 116. You can maybe take your 6-cent scalp with about 2,000 shares. Not a bad day in the office. But if you want to come and learn how to make the most out of your money, if you have a small account, medium-sized account, or a big account, right now we're running a deal on the Discord and below on the comments. It's $10.99. Not only am myself as an alerter, but we have 5 other alerters that literally do that for a living. So they put their money on the line. They put their reputation on the line. We have a stock trading bot and all those other good news things in the area. If you come on, you can get a week free to try it out. But yeah, you try it out. I have to say that there is not a better Discord out there. But you try it yourself. But let's go back to ASST here. We have the funding. We have all the different price targets coming up here for the 12-month price target of 170. I believe that is a very conservative, good price target, especially because it has around $123 million. Or not, he has 123 million share float. I like this for 2 purposes. If you're holding ASST and you have a high average, right? You always can DCA down, or you can scalp it and make some of your money back until you hit your eventual price targets. Because more than likely, if you're a long-term holder, you're down on this. But since we're in a hardcore bear market right now, just for crypto, it's not even a hardcore bear market. Okay, it's retracing. It's not even so-called maybe a bear market. But you're at these levels. Play these levels correctly. Pay for the bounce up. Wait for your confirmation, and bam. I show you these things of the different people coming in. Like I said, show some love. Go on the YouTube. I'm making these videos under 5 minutes because everybody's attention span is just give me the news and I'm out. And I respect that. Love you guys. Let's make some money on this one. ASST.